On International Plastic Bag Free Day, some students were proud to make paper bags for plastic free tomorrow. Bashir Dilam was observed under the guidance of Vidyutya Malayalam Club on 4th July. Ishita is of 6th standard delivered a speech. Sana Fatima is of 9th standard and Abhinaya M of 8th standard presented chants. Shiga C and Aniga Suresh of 8th standard read out an excerpt on Bashir. World Population Day was observed by Vidyodaya Social Club on 11th July. Sridhika P of 9th standard delivered a speech. Abhinav Krishna of 9th standard and Ishida S of 6th standard presented chants. First house meeting was held on 11th July. House captains were selected in the meeting. One-year plan was formed and discussed in this meeting. Janisha is of 10th standard, Bajrasakim Vidyutha Union President, Kolangod Union President and Palakkad Meghala Secretary attended a state-level workshop on 12th July at Malayalam Manorama Office, Kottayam. An awareness class on Mission Rabies was held on 16th July. Mrs. Devavi, Education Officer of Veterinary Department, gave us a talk on Mission Rabies. Our Science Club coordinator, Srimati Sarida teacher, welcomed the gathering. Our head teacher, Agatha teacher, talked on the occasion. Arnab P. School Captain, Janisha S. School Vice Captain, and Ria R. of 10th Standard gave feedback. Nisha teacher proposed vote of thanks. 7th to 10th standard students were present in the awareness class. Our first student leaders meeting was held on 17th July under the leadership of HM Agatha teacher. School captain, school vice captain, house captains, JRC student coordinators, Vimukti club student coordinators, NGC student coordinators, and discipline in charges were present in the meeting. The meeting aimed to discuss upcoming school responsibilities, improve coordination among student leaders, and strengthen discipline, student involvement, and school culture. JRC Karens took awareness class on rabies to 1st standard to 6th standard students. A meeting was held under the leadership of our assistant manager Sugama sir and HM Agatha teacher with the school captain, vice captain and class prefects from 1st standard to 10th standard. Objective of the meeting was to guide our class prefects about their roles and responsibilities and to build a strong student leadership system across our classes. School protection group was formed and first meeting was held on 19th July Saturday. Our HM Agatha teacher welcomed the gathering. Mr. Santosh VK, Sub-Inspector of Police, Pudnagaram Police Station inaugurated the program and delivered the inaugural address. Mr. Santosh S, Janamaitri Beat Officer, Pudnagaram Police Station. Mr. Murlidas M, Senior Civil Police Officer, Pudnagaram Police Station. Mr. Santosh Kumar, Ward Member and PTA Executive Members talked on the occasion. Janisha S, School Vice Captain, proposed a vote of thanks. A meeting was held for the office bearers of Balansagam within the unit. Sugama sir and Agatha teacher were present. The aim, purpose and the activities of Balansagam unit were discussed in the meeting. Balansagam Kolangod unit has conducted a review rating contest related to reading week. Priya R of 10th standard received first prize. Sana Fatima is of 9th standard and Janisha is of 10th standard received second prize. And Desha B of 9th standard received third prize. Priya R of 10th standard Vidyodaya Union Prathinidhi attended district level meeting of Balansagam at Malayalam Manorama Office, Palakkad on 20th July. World Moon Day was observed under the guidance of Vidyodaya Science Club on 21st July. Science Club coordinator Sarida teacher talked on the occasion. 6th and 7th standard students made rocket models. NJC members presented charts to spread awareness among the students. First unit test was held from 21st July to 31st July. Kargil Vijay દિવસ was observed under the guidance of Vidyodaya Social Club on 26th July. Priya R of 10th standard delivered a speech. 6th and 8th standard students presented charts. A meeting was held for radio jockeys. The aim and the purpose of RJ shows were discussed and welcomed the new RJs. World Nature Conservation Day was observed on 28th July under the initiative of Bajrasakyam Vidyodaya Unit, NGC and Vidyodaya Eco Club. Bajrasakyam Vidyodaya Unit Joint Secretary Sriya Sajeev delivered a speech and Vice President Sana Fatima presented a chart. Students organized an exhibition, Wealth Out of Waste. They prepared various things products based on the concept reduce, reuse, and recycle. International Tiger Day was observed by Vidyude NGC unit on 29 July. Ria R of 10th standard NGC member delivered a speech. NGC members presented charts to spread awareness among students. Premchand Day was observed by Vidyude Hindi Club on 31st July. Ria R of 10th standard delivered a talk. Aishwarya M, Sana Fatima S, Sriya Sajeev and Sridhika S of 9th standard presented charts. With this, we come to an end of Vidyude News Hours. Thank you.